That's when I see you, yeah, 'cause she ready to go, 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 go. And all the mama hoes compete, they ain't even coming close, 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 yeah. On the gas when I see you, yeah, 'cause she ready to go, 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 go. Pay for your own clothes, fly on your own trips. You a big girl, you buy your own shit, supply your own smoke, you like your own zip. No leasing yours, you like to own shit. So rich, the one them niggas hate, the bitches wanna go with. I'm buying O's like it's Wheel of Fortune, feeling flawless, living lawless. Throwing my money when I see you, every time she getting low, 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 low. Yeah, already know it is, man. She ready to go, 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 go. And all the mama hoes compete, they ain't even coming close, 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 close. Yeah, I'm on the gas when I see you, yeah, 'cause she ready to go, 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 go. Money up and watching her go round and round, watching her go round and round. I'm throwing money up and watching it come down, come down. It come down, come down. Or we can go to my house, or we can go to your crib. We can jump in your car and see how I live. But I'm still throwing money up. So much I'm losing count, can't count. So much I'm losing count, can't count. Yeah, I'm talking about.
You can't move that forward.
That's dope.
Pick up the sound. Pick up your sound on all Roundfeld Wi-Fi speakers. Let's play together. Hear Roundfeld and SoundCloud.
Girl, you should know that. I got you.
Wake up, wake up. I don't wanna wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I don't wanna wake up, wake up. Yeah, I'm straight, never switch lanes. On my job every day, 'cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way, and I hardly ever sleep when it's like a dream. I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up from, I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up from. Days that I know hard work days, so the money get long too, and the kush smells strong too. That's that good, and the chick with me, she the bomb too. One thing I know is go hard, young, make fake niggas know this. Blowing money 'cause you dying if you don't live. That's how you know that I was fly when I wrote this. First class tags.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Lily Road.
Say that I was tripping, so a nigga bought expensive ass bags. I'm straight, never switch lanes. On my job every day, 'cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way.
Turn right onto Lily Road.
Don't wake up from, don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up from, I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up from.
Continue on Lily Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Better play your part. Go hard, young. Go hard. And if you win the game, might as well play smart. 'Cause I seen niggas fall like papers. Got money, seen friends turn haters. Got money, minor league turn major. Got money, white people turn neighbors. Need a girl, teach her how to roll papers. 6 months, 3 whips, so player. Run my town like the mayor. Run my town, bitch, I'm like the mayor. Yeah, I'm straight, never switch. I my job every day, 'cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way, and I hardly ever sleep, but it's like a dream. I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up from. But it's like a dream I don't wanna wake up from. Don't wanna
Turn left onto Burke Street, then turn right onto Central Avenue.
Don't wanna wake up from.
Turn right onto Central Avenue, then you will arrive at your destination.
It's nothing new. This is exactly what I do. What up, E?
You have arrived.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, look, show us. Look, let me see the GPS. I'm just gonna fucking call it. Just go park up here or something. After you go to your place. Yeah, it was right here, bro. I know for a second. Yeah, over here. Pretty sure it's this house right here. 52141. No, it's 52151.
Ooh,
52148. It gets a little.
it's a nice car.
Hey, we're here. Somewhere. Yeah, it's right by like Clay, right? Okay, yeah, we're here. Mom said to pick you up at 5, not 5:30. So. Turn around, man. Nigga that. You go to the outside, bust to Huey. Oh, this point.
Phone call completed.
Usually just hit the little kid, too.
Yeah, you're not gonna make it.
Good weeds lit on this one. Ah, yeah. Ride by myself. Yeah. The world turning, the weed burning. Them haters talking, I keep earning. Know something to say life's a bitch. Well, I'ma keep learning. And fuck that bitch for the money your Louis V purchases. Old folks like my car, cause they know just what this is.
Up there. The one, okay, so when you go this way, this one, 146. That's 151. That's one right there. That is the house. Park in front of the fucking mailbox. Check my mail, nigga.
Something like a contract to build it from the ground up, down.
What is this gonna store? I'm still mad that he said that's his dad that was on. Yeah, fuck you and me, kid.
Snip, snip.
Listen, what?
Snip,
Hold up
snip.
a fucking second.
You didn't know the thing open?
No, I didn't know this thing had like a wall plug in.
Oh, it did?
Bro, that is so fucking convenient. Oh my god. Chase, look at this. They have like a little plug in the adapter. Bro, that is dope.
So
I don't know what this thing is. That's just fucking regular. Dude, they have so many charging options. Yeah, they're 5. And then Angelica texts me at 5:30. I'm like, no. I'm gonna say 5. I'm gonna say 5. Look. We need to pick up 5.
New SMS from 574343795. Press Uconnect phone button and say text message to read it.
From faded on to waited on, from hated on to the nigga they put their cake up on.
Okay, Chase, you still got leg room?
Huh?
You still got leg room?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, I forgot to do it. Fucking long fingers. Bro, you can custom make an order from online with that ass. For like $30. Other side.
What's up, Angelica?
I'll hit the gas, but I don't know if the brake.
Hi.
I said hi.
No. No, that was no turn there, bro. That's where it was fit. Sure? Yeah, that's where they were doing that cookout stuff. I already fucked up, Aaron. Yeah, I just said, he said, no. I didn't fucking know. I thought you knew.
Hold on, before we get started, I want to make sure I have my shades.
Huh?